What's up guys? Welcome back. So you may recognize this thing right here, which is the new boat that I got a little while ago. So this thing is a ton of fun to drive, and my friends and I have been having a ton of fun testing it out and seeing how fast we can get it to go. But what we haven't tested is how high we can get it to go. And so in today's video we do just that. We take the boat out and send it over as many huge waves as we can to get it going super high up into the air, and we also hit some tricks as well. Enjoy!
Oh, did you hit this wave? Epic air. Did you hit those waves right there? Oh, dude, you almost flipped it.
Okay, that was actually kind of cool.
That was actually kind of cool. Send it, send it, send it. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, dude, did you see that? What happened?
I did not turn.
Oh, dude, roll the barrel roll. Oh, underwater.
No.
I'm so close. Is it dead?
Hello. I can't go full speed, but it looks more cinematic than going.
Yeah, but no one likes controllability. They all want destruction like that.
Water is so weird. It's shocking.
Oh, turn around. Oh, turn around. Oh, what a save. Did it just die?
Yeah.
Ooh. Dude, that was some air. Ooh. Nice. Oh my gosh.
It was under the boat.
You're still, okay, good. Nice. Here, bring it back, yeah. Oh, it goes under. Help me. Okay, right. I think we may have broken the water cooling tube. Wow. But that is fine. I've got some tape.
How do you know?
Because I can see it shooting water up into the air.
Dude, that was kind of cool though.
Yeah, dude, that was epic. Here, send it around. Yeah, that is definitely broken. All right, whip it back around. Got some good waves coming through here right now. Oh, you landed.
You should put like a giant rudder in the boat so that you could like turn really fast. Like turn. I don't think that's good.
Oh my god, okay.
Is everything waterproof?
That was pretty close. The lid just almost sank. Okay then, everything's good, I think.
Yeah.
Not gonna flip this one.
Oh, dude. That was sick.
Oh, you almost barrel rolled it. Don't flip it. Dude, that was a close one. Oh man, you're freaking me out.
not even touching. Bruh.
Oh, you jinxed it. We need some wood on this boat so we can like avoid jinx.
Ah.
Now you're wet.
You know what? You get good for that.
What? What do I
That
get?
just made the most satisfying.
What do I get for that? What do I get? I get what? A cool rear view of the boat? Oh, you were so close!
I'm not even turning.
Oh my
Say that.
gosh!
Well,
Alright, here it goes. I don't know, aesthetics. Haha, now you're wet again. It's so satisfying how it like sort of bounces along the surface. Now you're wet.
I'm doing that to you.
Not doing that to me.
Oh,
dude.
You kind of get a speed boost when you land. It's so cool.
Yeah, because you land like instantly in a hydroplane.
That's how it is.
Would you say that it's called bashing if it's with boats? Like just driving boats around and having fun? If you're doing that with cars, it's called bashing, but like, would it be called bashing with a boat?
I did not even touch.
You know, with you it's called flipping. With you it's called flipping.
Bruh.
Okay, that one was on me.
You need to turn down the FOV and the GoPro can barely see anything.
I can just go.
Dude, these are such good waves. Oh! You're like surfing there.
Oh, dude, on one side, dude. Did you see
Yeah,
that?
I saw that.
Is that even on? Okay, good. It's on. I was like, right. Imagine you're not recording.
Unfortunately, that's it for today's video. Thank you all very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time.